Don't know our product yet? Let me introduce you our company. Quality, services, reputation, people-oriented management thinking, market-oriented business strategy and trust-based partnership. As a small-size leading company in the field, S is having more than 150 employee with development of customer, market-oriented bases. We with over 30 years of experience in HMI industry, provider of applications in medical, aviation, automotive, industrial and more. Our Taiwan manufacturing site has officially started operation at June 2021. Strive to help customers better meet market needs, grow together. Factories in China and Taiwan certified with ISO 9001-2015 and we also have ISO 14001 certified in Taiwan factory. Contact us for more information.